Whether in roof or on the roof, installers need slim and flexible mounting systems. How this will be possible, you learn now. Welcome to the Smarter Europe 2024 on the booth of Ernst Schweizer AG. On my side, I welcome Mr. Julian Pernot. He leads the Innovation Center at Ernst Schweizer AG. And Mr. Pernot, Ernst Schweizer has developed with its new pitched roof system a very flexible and slim system. What is new with the installation?
We believe that no installer wants to spend unnecessary time on the roof. So we have optimized our existing system. We have added a new roof hook, which is extremely strong. You can save 30% of roof hooks with this system. On top of that, you have all the versatility. You can change the height by flipping the plate. You can adjust the height. You can also adjust the height here. You can install vertical and horizontal. So with this hook, you are covered for all the roofs. You're faster. You are finished faster, you can do more installations. And if you want to go even further, we bring next year a new system which saves additional hooks. You are 50% down with the roof hooks. And the system works like that you have on top of the roof, you collect the forces going down with a special roof hook. You have moving like flexible hooks to take the wind load and the snow load. You directly transfer it to the subconstruction of the roof with this foam. It is transferred through the tile down to the subconstruction. And this allows you to make double the amount of installations in the same time. So the installers can do more work, they can do more solar installation. Because we believe we have to reduce the work of the installer.
Mm-hmm. And this one is the installer need to place behind the
this is already in the rail, so we prefabricate the rail, including this foam, which protects the tiles and makes it a safe, fast installation.
Yeah, I feel it. It's very interesting system. And Ernst Schweizer, thank you very much, Mr. Pernot, for the informations. And Ernst Schweizer is well known for its in-roof system, SolRoof, and what is new in this topic, we learn now. As I mentioned, Ernst Schweizer is well known for its SolRoof in-roof system. On my side, I welcome Mr. Thomas Müller. He leads the Innovation and Development team at Ernst Schweizer. Mr. Müller, which elements you have further developed with the SolRoof system?
Yeah, the SolRoof system, our in-roof system, we optimized the eaves profile, which is always the starting point to install SolRoof, and we eliminated there an error place, so it's easier to mount now and faster. That's one of the elements, and we also brought into our portfolio an improved eaves skirting system, because this is what our customers really wanted, more qualitative product which we supply by now.
We have a very new system. It's written new.
Yes, exactly.
What is it?
Yeah, I'm very happy to announce that we have a new in-roof system. It's a solar roof tile. We will produce and manufacture the tile in Switzerland, in Hettigen, in our factory. It's a solar roof tile. It can be added perfectly into the tile world. It has a direct link here to the roof tiles itself, so it's from the bottom you still have a visual effect like the normal tiled roof. So that's the primary effect you will see from the bottom, and you can see on this side that it's direct linked to the tile itself. It works now with Nelskamp-Planung, Brass Tegalito, the Benders Charisma, so it's concrete tiles. This is how we start at the moment.
Yeah, and it's not a real solar tile because it's covers a lot of normal tiles. How many tiles you cover
yes,
with
that's
that?
correct. It's 1.50 meters long. So with that, depending on which tile you use, you have 5 to 6 tiles which you can extract from the roof. It still works on the standard, how the standard tiling is done on the roof. But you just add this larger roof tile, which then eliminates 5 or 6 tiles. You place it normally on the wooden construction. You can mount it down, and you have also a storm clamp to really fixate it on high wind areas.
Yeah, and the wiring. How works the wiring?
Yes, this is also an interesting point. If you mount the first roof tile, is always the lowest. You can take the wiring up to the top, and we added something to check that the wiring is correct. So if you push the wires together, there is a location where you can place the wires then, and it fits only if the connectors are completely together. And with that, the connectors are on a defined space, not in a wet area, and you can directly start with the next roof tile and are sure that it's correctly mounted.
Yeah, that's very, very interesting. And for the flash protection, you need anything?
At the moment, it's a standard roof tile. It's a standard PV module, and we achieve 185 watt peak per square meter. It's possible to have some shadings, but at the moment we think it's not needed since you have more sections. And for us, it also was important to have a plastic base, but the plastic is no halogen, so it's recyclable, which is very important for our DNA. And it also helps us to have a low mounting time, because you don't need to earth all the single tiles. It's not needed. So like that, you are again fast on the roof.
So you have a very good new aesthetic product beside the solar roof product. Thank you very much, Mr. Müller. And if you want to know more about Ernst Schweizer and the products of Ernst Schweizer, please use the website.